Action cameras have come a long way, offering high-resolution videos and amazing features that allow you to capture your adventures like never before. Today, we're pitting two of the latest heavyweights against each other, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Both cameras promise top-tier performance, but which one is the best fit for your needs? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between these two, from video quality to usability, and help you decide which one is the right choice for your next adventure. Let's kick things off with the design. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is slightly larger and bulkier compared to the GoPro Hero 13 Black, which could impact how easily you can mount it on tight spaces like helmets or handlebars. The Hero 13 Black's compact and slim design makes it more portable, ideal for extreme sports enthusiasts who need to stay nimble. However, when it comes to mounting options, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers magnetic mounts, which allow for quick attachment and detachment. If you need to switch setups quickly, this could be a game changer. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also features magnetic mounts and still keeps its traditional folding fingers, which offer broader compatibility with existing GoPro accessories. Both cameras deliver stunning video quality, but let's break it down. The GoPro Hero 13 Black shoots in 5.3K resolution, delivering incredibly sharp and vibrant footage. It's perfect for those who want clear details in their videos. But if you're looking to push the limits, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 steps it up with 8K resolution, allowing for even more detailed and high-quality footage, especially useful when cropping videos or zooming in without losing clarity. When it comes to low-light performance, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has a slight edge. It maintains better brightness and color accuracy when the lighting is less than ideal, making it perfect for evening or indoor recordings. The GoPro Hero 13 Black, while capable, doesn't quite match the Insta360's low-light prowess, so if you plan on shooting in dim conditions frequently, that's something to consider. Each camera brings unique features to the table. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers 4K clarity zoom, which lets you zoom in on distant subjects without moving, ideal for wildlife photography or capturing details from afar. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also has zoom capabilities, but it needs to be set before recording, limiting flexibility. Both cameras feature HDR, but the Ace Pro 2 shines in backlit scenarios, keeping subjects well lit even when the sun is behind them. The Ace Pro 2 also offers gesture control, allowing you to start and stop recording with simple hand movements, a helpful feature when you can't physically reach the camera. When it comes to sound, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 provides an enhanced experience with its removable wind protector, keeping audio clear even in windy conditions. It also has multiple audio modes for capturing different types of sound. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also offers wind reduction, but in stronger winds, it tends to struggle a bit more compared to the Ace Pro 2. Battery life can make or break a long shoot. The GoPro Hero 13 Black offers a slightly larger battery with a 1900 mAh capacity, giving it a bit of an advantage in overall recording time. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 isn't far behind with 1800 mAh, but it makes up for it with its endurance mode, allowing for extended recording time. Plus, the Ace Pro 2 charges faster, reaching 80% in just 18 minutes, so you can get back to your adventure quicker. For ease of use, both cameras have their strengths. The GoPro Hero 13 Black will feel familiar to those who've used GoPro products before, with an efficient interface designed for fast adjustments. However, if you're new to action cameras or want a more straightforward experience, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers a user-friendly interface that's easier to navigate, making it a great option for beginners. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 comes with a higher price tag, but you're paying for cutting-edge technology like 8K resolution, dynamic zoom, and gesture control. The superior low-light performance alone might justify the cost for many users. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is more affordable and offers excellent performance for the price, especially if you're already in the GoPro ecosystem and don't need the extra bells and whistles of the Ace Pro 2. In the end, both the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and GoPro Hero 13 Black are top-tier action cameras, but they cater to different needs. If you're looking for the absolute best in image quality, zoom, and low light performance, and don't mind spending a little more, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is the way to go. But if you're after a more affordable, compact, and reliable action camera with great performance across the board, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is an excellent choice. Let me know in the comments which camera you're leaning towards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this.